Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change language on Zerion wallet. If you want to change the language setting on your Zerion wallet and change to a different display language, then here is how you can do it. Open your Zerion application from your app drawer and enter your passcode to open up your wallet. From the main home page, tap the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on Preferences. Now tap on Language. Select the language of your choice from the display that you would want to change to. After you are done, you can get back and see for yourself that your display language has now been changed. That is how you can easily change your display language for Zerion wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.